Adding annotations to packets in CloudShark empowers network analysts to add informative notes, explanations, and links, enhancing collaboration and analysis efficiency. After opening a capture, click the small circle in the first column to open the annotation editor for that packet, where you can add your annotations. The annotation editor allows you to save, update, delete, and preview the annotation. You can also select colors for the text and background of the annotation. Annotations support Markdown syntax, which allows the text to be formatted in various ways. Markdown also supports linking, which is a great way to link directly from an annotation to another capture file, trouble ticket, or bug report. When annotations are applied to a packet, the blue circle in the first column for that packet will light up and can be clicked on to display or hide the annotation. Packets can be sorted by the annotations column to bring all of the annotations to the top of the packet list. The More Info link next to the name of the capture opens the File Info dialog box, and the Comments and Annotations tab will display which packets have annotations, the user that created the annotation, and the text of the annotation. User comments can also be added to the capture file from this tab. In the capture index, captures that have annotations or comments will have an icon next to them. The Comments and Annotations index filter can search for captures containing these, and you can search for the contents of the comments. Start incorporating annotations to your captures in CloudShark to streamline your packet analysis, making it easier to communicate findings and improve your network troubleshooting process.